How to fix the bug Facebook Messenger not showing photos. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and search for Messenger application just to make sure that you have the latest version of the Messenger application. As you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the Facebook Messenger application. So we're going to go back and then tap on the settings of our device, and as you tap on settings of device, scroll down to apps and then tap on manage apps and search for Messenger application over here. Now just wait until the app loads over here in the app list. After the app list appears, all you have to just scroll down and search for the Messenger application over here. So let's search for Messenger and then tap on it, and then tap on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on clear data and then clear cache. If it's possible, you can delete all data as well. Next, go to the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here, such as files and media, your camera, microphone, phone, contacts over here majorly. After that, you can just go back and check if the Facebook Messenger bug has been solved or not. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.